Welcome dear 10th standard students. In this video class, I am going to teach chapter mensuration, topic volume of different solid figures. Solving sums from the exercise 7.2, sum number 1 and 2, and also solving example number 7.172, 7.19. Exercise 7.2, sum number 1. A 14-meter deep well with inner diameter 10 meter is dug and the earth taken out is evenly spread all around the well to form an embankment of width 5 meter. Find the height of the embankment. A well is dug is in a form of a cylinder. The earth is taken out, spread all around the well to form an embankment. Its width is 5 meter. The inner diameter of the well is 10 meter. Height, that is depth 40 meter, is considered as height. To find the height of the embankment, well is in the cylinder. Deep, that is height, h is equal to 40 meter. Inner diameter 10 meter. Inner radius 5 meter. Volume of the earth taken out. Formula is volume of the cylinder, that is pi r square h. Cubic unit. Pi 22 by 7 into r is 5. 5 square into h is 14. 14 is divided by 7, we get 2. 22 into 5 square, 25 into 2, we get 1100 meter cube. Since it is spread to form embankment, which is in the form of a hollow cylinder, inner radius is 5 meter, width is 5 meter, the outer radius is 5 plus 5, 10 meter. Volume of embankment is equal to 1100 meter cube. Formula for hollow cylinder: pi h capital R square minus small r square is equal to 1100. Pi is 22 by 7 into h1, that is the height of the embankment, into 10 square minus 5 square is equal to 1100. 22 by 7 into h1 into 10 square 100 minus 5 square 25 is equal to 1100. 2 by 7 into h1 into 100 minus 25 75. 75 is equal to 1100. h1 is equal to 1100 into 7 by 22 into 1 by 75. 22. 1100 is divided by 22, we get 50. 50 and 75 cancel by 25, we get 50 is divided by 25, we get 2. 75 is divided by 25, we get 3. 2 into 7, 14 by 3. 14 by 3 is 4.67 meter. Therefore, height of the embankment is 4.67 meter. Example number 7.17. Find the volume of a iron used to make a hollow cylinder of height 9 cm and whose internal and external radii are 21 cm and 28 cm respectively. A hollow cylinder is made by using iron. Find the volume of the iron to be used when the height of the hollow cylinder is 9 cm and internal radius is 21 cm and external radius is 28 cm. given hollow cylinder. The internal radius small r is 21 centimeter. External radius capital R is 28 centimeter. Height h is 9 centimeter. Volume of the hollow cylinder formula is pi into capital R square minus small r square into h cubic units. Pi 22/7 into capital R 28 square minus small r 21 square into 9. 22/7 into 28 square 784 minus 21 square 441 into 9. 22/7 into 784 minus 441 343 into 9. 343 is divided by 7, we get 49. 22 into 49 into 9, we get 9702. Therefore, volume of the iron used 9702 centimeter cube. Example number 7.18. For the cylinders A and B are given. First question. Find out the cylinder whose volume is greater. Second. Verify whether the cylinder with greater volume has greater total surface area. Third one. Find the ratio of the volumes of the cylinder A and B. Here two cylinders are given. The first cylinder. The diameter of the first cylinder is 7 cm. Height is 21 cm. The second cylinder diameter is 21 cm. Height is 7 cm. Given two cylinders A and B. Cylinder A diameter 7 cm. Radius R is equal to 7/2 cm. Height H is equal to 21 cm. Cylinder B diameter 21 cm. Radius R is 21/2 cm. Height H is equal to 7 cm. Volume of a cylinder is pi r square h cubic units. Volume of cylinder A 22/7 into 7/2 into 7/2 into 21. 7 cancel. 22 is divided by 2, we get 11. 11 is divided by 2, we get 5.5. 5.5 into 7 into 21, we get 808.5 centimeter cube. Volume of the cylinder B 22/7 into or 21/2 into 21/2 into H7. 7 cancel. 22 is divided by 2, we get 11. 11 is divided by 2, we get 5.5. 5.5 into 21 into 21, we get 2425.5 centimeter cube. Therefore, volume of the cylinder B is greater than volume of the cylinder A. To find total surface area. TS of a cylinder is formula 2 pi r into h plus r square units. TS of a cylinder A 2 into pi 22/7 into r 7/2 into h 21 plus r 7/2. 7 cancel, 2 cancel. We get 22 into LCM is 2. 2 into 21 42. 42 plus 7 by 2. 22 is divided by 2, we get 11. 11 into 42 plus 7 49. We get 539 centimeter square. Total surface area of cylinder B 2 into 22/7 into R 21/2 into H7 plus R 21/2. 21 is divided by 7, we get 3. 2 is divided by 2. 22 into 3 66. Here 2 is LCM. 2 into 7 14. 14 plus 21 by 2. 66 is divided by 2, we get 33. 33 into 14 plus 21 35. 33 into 35, we get 1155 centimeter square. 4. Cylinder B with greater volume has a greater surface area. Third one. Ratio between two cylinders. Volume of cylinder A by volume of cylinder B. Volume of cylinder A is 808.5. Volume of cylinder B 2425.5. Cancelling we get 1 by 3. Therefore, ratio of the volumes of cylinder A and B is 1:3. Second sum. A cylindrical glass with diameter 20 cm has water to a height of 9 cm. A small cylindrical metal of radius 5 cm and height 4 cm is immersed in it completely. Calculate the rise of water in the glass. A cylindrical is given. Its diameter is 20 cm. It filled with water at an height of 9 cm. A small cylindrical metal is given. That radius is 5 cm and height is 4 cm. Is merged in the water. To find the height of rising water. Cylindrical glass. Diameter 20 cm. Radius 10 cm. Water level 9 cm. Small cylindrical metal. Radius 5 cm. Height 4 cm. Volume of the cylinder is pi r square h cubic units. Height of water level increase in the cylindrical glass is equal to volume of small cylindrical metal. Pi into radius of the cylindrical is 10. 10 into 10 into h is equal to pi into radius of the cylindrical metal is 5. 5 into 5 into height is 4. H is equal to pi into 5 into 5 into 4 by pi into 10 into 10. Pi cancel. 5 and 10 cancel. 10 is divided by 5. Cancel by 5 we get 2. This 10 is cancelled by 5 we get 2. 4 is divided by 2 we get 2. 2 is divided by 4. 2 is divided by 2 we get 1. H is 1 centimeter. Height of water rise in the glass is 1 centimeter. Volume of a right circular cone V is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h cubic units. Example number 7.19. The volume of a solid right circular cone is 11,088 cm cube. If its height is 24 cm, then find the radius of the cone. A right circular cone is given. Its volume is 11,088 cm cube. Its height is 24 cm. To find the radius of the cone. Given cone height h is 24 cm. Volume of a cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h cubic units. Volume of the cone is 11,088 cm cube. Formula 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r square into h is 24 is equal to 11,088. 24 is divided by 3 we get 8. R square is equal to 11,088 into 7 by 22 into 1 by 8. 11,088 is divided by 22 we get 504. 504 is divided by 8 we get 63. R square is equal to 63 is 7 into 9 into 7. R is 7 into 3. Root of 9 is 3. 7 into 3 is 21. R is 7 into 3 21. R is 21 centimeter. Therefore, radius of the cone is 21 centimeter.